famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Okay, today we are cooking mash and ox liver. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. And yeah, let's get straight to it. I'm showcasing what I have today. Those are my spices, ox liver. Yes. Oh, another thing, guys, today we didn't have electricity. Guess what? I made the things happen. I cooked through the fire. Yes. Ki hodija mollo. Hey, ki hodija mollo. Anyway, arabembis kinna malaka chela meleke. Today ke tlo ruta rena how do we cook ox liver. If you want your ox liver, my sister, my brother, for me, if you want your ox liver to be nice, soft, moist, because lena ba bang ba mputse re apea sebete so ka reng ke sishu what ba dishu the cow kana ba di bitsa dang what I forgot ka sepedi ba re ke dishu gore motho wa apea ox liver engwe ya bothata, ox liver engwe ya go gwatha, ox liver ka re ya gymming ya di muscling di muscle o ka betha ngwana ka yona ka idibala. So please ja ox liver we lokela ka gare ga meleke, put that ox liver inside the milk, please, I beg. So one peeling off my potatoes. Okay, I know one may say, what does it do? I don't know, but one thing I can tell you, soak your ox liver inside your milk before you cook it and you'll come and comment. Okay? Hey, sorry, I'm peeling off my potatoes. So as I was saying the story of today, I woke up and there was no electricity and my uncle was like, yeah, girl, you better cook. And I wanted to go somewhere as well. So you will see that this content actually cooked in the morning through the fire and then went somewhere and come back and finished the entire cooking got electricity because already electricity was back. But not the solar. Not the solar afford. So kinama like ya pila matsapa le na dia forever ka tlatsa ka tlatsa re ke nna need friginyana ke tla ntse ba re OCD nyana ya gona. So ka tlatsa a ke sta tlo ja matsapa na ka re ke poison ke nna like dia mollo bona mollo ke dilo nyana tsa ka speedy a di tshwentse gore ho tse ka tsona bona. Besides, I enjoy this because I hardly I guess I hoja mollo like before. I mean, most of us, almost half of South Africa, yape stove. So I thought I'm cheese girl and ram. Yeah, wa la kwa gole kwa ke paraffin mo la ke phela ke na le paraffin re motho a ka tar ke mo tshela ka yona ke motsubi ke a dlala so ka tshela paraffin mo la shetse light relationship we bona relationship e ka se bereka bara wa ileta ka paraffin iyo lena monna ena le ba mputse ba le rata di relationship tsa di paraffin mollonyana paraffin wa speedinyana ya ka speed vuvu o to toela motho o tshwantse o be Bob the Builder le ena ke mola wa matsapa na tsene ka potong a ke re potatoes are inside the pot. Okay, there's a little bit of cooking oil, aromat and hot water. Okay, ke nna mola relationship la ya tuka bona re tuka ba a na go ya so na mila wa ke feditse mola matsapa na a bujitse mara a bujitse ka pela na mile mollo wa tima ke re be le mollo wa speed sa paraffin ke relationship la re ka speed mo December mo wena o na le motho ke na le motho jiki wena wa poster say sit down. So na mile ke chopa carrot. I get carrot. In fact, I wanted to buy baby carrots, but then they were not there. Like these are the very big carrots. I'll chop them. Ne, Maragalatara chopping is not a skill in this house. So for me, I beg. But now you know me, eh? So it's not a skill. I did right, but it is fine. Kinamala. We are doing the things fast. We need to leave. Kinamala ke chopam. Spinach, okay? Spinach. Please be careful, guys. Be careful because spinach has a bigger leaves. So sometimes you might cut yourself by mistake. Mara now I won't cut myself because, wow, I am the boss, okay? So be careful when chopping your spinach. Hey, what's that king? Anyway, sebongkunko se gore matsona a bereka ona le motho mo matso ga ga bereka so na mela wa ke nna go boil carrot, there's sugar, aromat, sweet sour obviously a le tsebe and then le garlic butter. Dilo di change ngwaga ko moso a re sa apeya ka makhura. Hey, a ke sa apeya ka mafura. Hey, tsotsi. Fuluile mafura nna. Ke nametse garlic butter. Okay? Awa. Yo. Okay, famies, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. At least, guys, dilo di change. Stop being stingy. If you think this content will not grow because you don't subscribe, my sister, I beg, give me some time, oh, it will grow. So please, the sooner the better. You just, make it grow, right? So, yeah, guys, I really appreciate the fact that you are watching. But please, just like. If you feel like liking is a big issue, comment. If you feel like commenting, and I say to you guys, please tell me what type of meals do you want to see on this channel, right? Yeah, so different types of my spices. The spice we don't peppereza. The same way that Ebola. I'm in a relationship with Ebola. Therefore, I cannot make noise because the girls in South Africa, they must snatch him. So I keep the spicing. I keep to spices. Saka spices. Saka rabo. Spices. Lorena feel like a wadi rat. Again, because I get a free promotion. Jo. So ke a mix everything ke ntšha ka kwa gare ga mmeleke a kere ke ntšha sebete ka gara mmebona bona re se botsiwa wa tsa re keng tlhaka-tlhakantšha mola tlhakantšha make sure everything is blending well, everything is nice, everything is in order ka tšhelanyana šetše o spice dilo a kere o dia matepe ba o namathaisa ba o totša ka dinamanitis ba o pepetetša le actor mpe ka mole ke lena bo efa. I'm just saying ke malana mile re dira carrot elena content e tile other way around e be tshwantse e tile ka kwa ke lava da tshaba content welele ingene ngwane le re ke ingene ngwane right anyway I never thata itile. So that is the unperfect part be ke le botsa ka yona. Anyway, because I went somewhere, I had to wrap everything and run to where I went and come back and finish cooking. By this time electricity way wheele. So yeah, ka felletsa wapeya ke nna mala ke tshela batha ke re ke lebitse ka reng dilo di change ngwaga ko moswa ke 2024 makhura ta reka ke lena na ke sa reka mafura dilo di change famies. We are cooking with garlic butter ke ela yo e dira dilo di be ka mogonya no mongwe kula bona ke totse ke di e re ke ska ka bolela because this video might ke spinach le tseba le nyaka ke reng ke I'm just saying ke spinach mola ke atla okay. Also I threw in some vegetable cubes for salty purposes. Actually, it's a new year, so you can't always be putting aromat. This time around, I came with a bang, okay? So a little bit of vegetable, what is this? Yeah, I placed some vegetable thingy, cubes. Yeah, for salt. We don't like beef cubes unless if you are cooking beef. Otherwise, things are going to look like a poison. So a little bit of onion. I sprinkled my onion. Oh, we are doing creamy spinach. Anyway, spinach is I taught you not to cook spinach with water. It's not every day where we need to boil spinach. It becomes too black and it looks like a poison. Okay, a little bit of, do you remember our sweet? Our liver, that milk. Bring it on. You don't throw things away. We make use of them. So, because I knew that I wanted to do a creamy spinach, the remaining milk was aside, right? To substitute, to concentrate, I don't know. Something like that. So yeah, please don't throw the milk away unless if you're not gonna use it. But nah, I don't like throwing food away. I can throw everything, anything, not food. So still put it in a refrigerator and use it for cooking something the following day, maybe meat or something. So that is my powder. It was my powder. mushroom powder, and then creamy, and there's a pepper, a creamy pepper, a creamy pepper something, and then my mustard, is it sauce, mustard sauce, and a creamy pepper, what? I think it's creamy pepper something, and milk again. You see, I use milk a lot. Make sure everything is mixed together, and voila, they're going inside. Y'all are putting flour. Ooh, girl. I will reserve my comment because we cook what we have in our homes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment in this video. Yeah, continue to support the channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm seeing you. For those who have already subscribed, may God bless you guys. You don't know. May you never lack. May your kids never lack. Anyway, let's get back to it. Gimala, now we are into sibiti sela. A little bit of cooking oil with a low heat because you don't want your sibiti to look like a poison. So yeah, we don't want things to look like poison. So you see, when the heat is low and your liver it comes way too easy, and we don't want to make it crispy. Please. Have you ever ate a crispy, not crispy, a hard liver with pap? My God. The pain that comes within your jaw marrow, your bone marrows, it's unmerged. You will feel pain even in your bone marrows. So this time around 2024, please cook a moist, what is this? A moist liver. Now I'm done cooking. I'm putting some carrots. I'm done cooking. Everything looks good, looks yummy, and we are done. And thank you for watching. Yeah, they were very nice. Yeah, we ate and left no crumbs. Anyway, thank you very much, famies, for watching, and I pray that you be well in this new year. May God bless you, bless your family, bless your kids. Everything that you touch, may it multiplies. Remember to always be kind. Jealousy, stop being jealous. If you can't beat them, you better join them. If you can't join them, sit down and take your own route. Please, 2024, we are not being jealous. We do our own thing, right? Thank you very much. Until I see you again. Bye.